Live. Hey guys. Hey. So adjusting our angle so you can see us. Okay, there you go. And here we are in the field. Yes. Hopefully it sounds okay and like it's all good. Hopefully it sounds okay and like it's all good. Yes. We are in the field. Should we start with our traditional sign off? Yes, we should. We should sign on. So here we go. And 3, 2, 1, go. H-Under racing, H-Under racing, H-Under racing. Yeah, what be alive. Racing show. Yes. Hey dude, thanks for joining that live stream. Yes. It's not too windy. It is notably quite windy this morning. This afternoon, sorry. Maybe I'll take my hat back in front so there you go. So yes, we appreciate everyone, past, present, and future, tuning into this special live stream. And yes, what we do, we only just arrived, so we're like, well, do we have everything? So yeah, I think we're going to go to this stage again. Yes. So what's this one all about, Harry? So we've been making a Ironman on the Creality Hi. A lot of wind to contend with. Sorry about the wind, can't do too much about it, sorry. There you go. Oh, thanks. This is there. Cheers, brother. Thanks for tuning in. Okay, so there he is there. And we've attached a parachute to him. Wind is too loud. Not sure. Good, and we're going to be putting our rocket motors into them, and on this live stream we are going to be sending them. Yes. So yeah, that's the plan. Is that the plan? Yep. Hopefully you can hear us now. Thumbs up if you can. But yes, what can we tell you? We had our virtual flying test spot, and yes. Where's the wind coming from? Move it back a little bit. Is that better? Should be no wind now. Real life. There's always something tricky going on. So we're better now. Cheers. Okay, so I'll just hold this umbrella for the duration of the entire the live stream. Okay, so that's good. Okay, so like I was saying before, this is the Ironman that we have been working on. He's all ready. There he is, looking in his glory, and we've attached a parachute to him. And we've got a launch pad just behind the camera. Thanks. That's one print. And how long did it take? Like a day? I can't remember. It was a while, wasn't it? It was about 24 hours, I think. Yeah, so 18 hours, was it? Yeah, it was. I think it was 18 hours. And it was made on the Creality Hi. Yes. Cool. And we'll be sending them on this live stream. Yes. Yeah. Anything you want to add, Richard? What we'll do is we'll do a test fire with another rocket that we already know works. Before we go for the actual one, because there's a crowd, so you might as well make the most of it. Right? So we're going to send this one first. It's the plan. This is fully 3D printed, and it was. Or you can click the link above, and once we've done the edit. But it was the previous one when we went to space, so we 3D printed ourselves. We put ourselves in the same rocket. We haven't done anything about it. Yeah, well, we retrieved this one back. Yes, and we also sent another version of this when we were doing a test burn for when we sent our SPV rocket helicopter. So there you go. And what kind of size motors are we using, Richard? We are there. The car. Okay. So we need to go and get that. So yeah, we've got a couple. We've got A-class motors and we've got a C-class motor. Yes, C-class. So C-class is obviously, which is kind of counterintuitive, but actually the as the numbers go up, like A, B, C, actually more power. There's actually more power as you go up through the letters. Yes. Which is opposite to what is like in say English class. Exactly. Very strange. But yes. Okay. So do you want to maybe turn the camera around so we can see the launch pad, or I'm actually thinking maybe the other way. So we want to readjust and put the launch pad behind it? Yeah, because I think there might be like a I think there might be a what? Well, because if we go that way, yeah, we can try it. Spin it around. It might be the camera flare into the sun. Oh yeah, they won't see it. Yeah, it's interesting thought. Okay, so maybe what we do is put the launch pad over here, Brad.
Yeah. I just readjust.
Yeah, I think we're okay. I'll just readjust. And how did we make the launch pad while we're talking about that?
Yeah, so I think the launch pad was made on one of the earlier episodes. I think, is it made of nylon?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. I think we got it printed with PCB way helped us out for that one. It was our own design, wasn't it? Yeah. Yeah. So everything's more or less working at this stage. I mean, Harry's just moving in the background. He's just moving the launch pad to behind us, so you'll be able to see it. Otherwise, it will be a silhouette, and you won't be able to see it.
So there's the launch pad. Not much really to it, really. It's just there you go. That's our symbol, and you can see the scorch marks in it from other launches that we've done, and then a bit of number 8 wire. Oh, what's it say there?
It's just if you use a bit of torn foam or something.
Yeah.
We might be able to find something in the car later on.
What do you reckon, Bucky?
Yeah. So there you go. It's all going well so far. You can come forward a bit. Doesn't want to get too close there. Fair enough. Okay, so launch pad's going into the ground at the moment.
And what happened this week?
Specifically?
What was the episode this week?
Okay, so the episode this week was the jet wing, wasn't it? Yeah, it was the second phase 2 of the jet wing. It was pretty good, and yeah. So the jet wing was the episode this week. It came out on Tuesday, and we were busy putting the flight controllers in and syncing it up, weren't we, with the different electronics, ESCs, and we installed the jet turbine. So yeah, so it's coming well and good along for that one. Still a little bit more to do. Like we're still going to make the parachute and stuff like that. But at this stage, the game is looking quite promising. And I think we've got one little extra piece that we need to go out and readjust in the future. We've got to source I think it's a UBEC to run the servos, because I don't think that particular flight controller runs servos. So that's okay. Yeah, so I mean, a little bit of homework for us to do.
And what we've got here is we've rigged up a switch. And there's the electrics on this end.
That's right. So they run on like a 9-volt battery like this, just to ignite the explosive. You can't just go out and use like a lighter or something like that. It has to be a electronic ignition.
Yes. So and we've got the ignition on that switch and ignition on this the switch on there.
Yeah. We've got a couple of different batteries in case this one, in case one of them doesn't perform correctly as well. So it should be fine. And next week is
a big one, isn't it?
Oh yeah, so that's one that we've been working on quite intently in the background. And that one is, how would you describe it? It is the world's first 3D printed flying 3D printer with a specific drone. Yeah, multicopter.
So it's a 3D printed frame flying a 3D printer
on top of it. Yeah, so we start the build series for that. It's pretty exciting, and it's a good project to get underway. And a big thanks to Creality. So thanks very much for coming on board for that one.
Yeah, very cool, very exciting for that one.
It's a great opportunity to see how well 3D printing and filament hold up against the real test.
Yes. So it should be exciting, and we'll be flying the Creality Hi on that one. So it should be exciting. We're quite excited about that.
It doesn't sound like a normal phrase, right? We're going to be flying the Creality Hi 3D printer.
It's quite good.
But yeah, that's what we'll be doing in the future. So phase 1 on that one starts.
Episode 1 starts on Tuesday. And hopefully everybody, just a bit of a thing for everyone. If you want to, you're welcome to like, subscribe, and share. And what did everybody get up to this week?
That's right. Yep. Make sure.
Hopefully, Off Access had a great week, and Joshua did. Hopefully
awesome.
They did.
Yeah, I'm sure they did. Okay, so what do we need to do? Are we going to go and get some motors?
I guess you can run around and grab the motors.
What else do we need?
I think we just need the motors. We're going to go for rocket launch with this guy, and we're going to show you how to pack it and all that.
Okay.
Joshua had a great week.
Okay, I'll leave you for a second. I'll be right back.
Yeah. The motors, just the motors, and did we get the wadding? Yeah. Oh, yeah, cool. Okay, so yeah, that's a little bit different about rockets. Yeah, Joshua had a great week. Excellent. That's what I want to see. That's cool. So yeah, kind of a different one for you guys, but an interesting one. Rockets are pretty cool, so very cool. It's going to be hopefully a successful launch for Ironman, and should be good. So, yeah, it shouldn't be take too long. We just got to strap them in, and then we'll send them. So hopefully we get like 2 launches today, and depending on time, maybe we'll fly a drone or something. Not sure. But that's kind of what we're thinking. Hopefully you enjoy. I'm sure you will. But yes, it's for us. It's a Thursday at 3 p.m. in the afternoon in New Zealand. So it's a little bit of different time for our usual. Kayla says hi. Hey, hi from H&R Drone Racing. Cheers, thanks for joining the live stream. And hopefully you too had a great week. We had a very busy week ourselves. Out building new stuff for the channel. Yep. Okay, so the motors that we got here. In case they need to tape that. Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah. So what we're going to do is we'll just tape that. Kayla says, "How are you doing?" Yeah, we're good. I'm pretty good. We're in the field. It's a good day. It's been raining all week.
Raining for 2 weeks.
2 weeks. So it's actually the first day we've ever actually got outside. It's kind of so I'm liking the sun for this moment in time. It's actually been raining quite a bit today too.
I know that we're continuing with a bit of wind today, but that's the least of our problems for the last 2 weeks.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, so in the world of rockets, I'm not sure if you're familiar with them, but you use this kind of stuff. So what it is it's flame retardant material. I'll show you at some point where you pack it. So that's the important one.
Yeah, and I'll just take the umbrella.
Oh yeah, and the other things that we've got is so these are the rocket motors that we're using. So this is an A-class motor. So A-class being the smallest one that you can get.
Which doesn't really make any sense, does it?
Yeah, it doesn't make any sense. But so this is an A5, A8-5. So it's an A8 power with a 5-second delay burn is what it is before. So what happens is when you ignite them, so that's the bottom part there. You ignite it with your 9-volt battery. It goes up into the air, and then it will do a reverse explosive, and that's when you pop the chute. So that's the idea. So in this particular case, A8, and then the 5 will be a 5-second delay before the chute opens.
That's the idea.
That's the idea. So depending on whether you get the explosive correct, and the calculation depends on whether it gets enough altitude before the parachute opens.
Yes.
Whereas the one that we'll be using, I think, are we going to do the AA? I'm not sure. Anyway,
Kayla says, "Good to know," and call me Gabe. Oh, sorry. Hey, Gabe. Nice. Very cool.
Okay, so and the other version is C63. So it's a bigger motor that we could get. So it's a lot bigger, and it's got a 3-second delay before it does reverse explosive.
So there you go. So we did some calculations in the background for weight of the Ironman pluses. I can bring the Ironman over. Yeah. Plus his weight. So it should be right. And what do you guys think? What do you guys think about the aerodynamics?
Do you think it will hold its trajectory and go straight up, or do you think it'll topsy-turvy and
cartwheel or something?
I mean, it's going to be exciting nonetheless, depending on whether it goes straight up or it goes everywhere. We'll find out shortly. But
should be good.
It'd be cool. I mean, it'd be really cool if that just went straight up like that, wouldn't it? That's what we're going for. That's what we're aiming for, anyway.
That's the idea. That's the plan.
That's the plan, Sam.
Okay, so what do you want to try?
Which one do you want to start with?
Well, I guess we'll start with that guy.
The little A8, or do you want to start with the C6?
No, I'll get straight for C6, right?
Yeah,
what do you guys
You want it big, right? Go big or go home?
Go big or go home? What do you guys reckon? Josh says, "Damn, gonna have to see you later. Gotta get to work. Good luck, boys. Cheers." It's all good, man. Check out the
rerun.
The rerun, yes.
And thanks very much for tuning in. Means a lot.
Means a lot. So thank you. Sorry I had to go work, but these things happen. Gabe says, "I say to the side and go crazy."
Okay.
Oh yeah,
right.
Nice.
Fair enough. We're on the same path.
Nice. That should be fun. Okay, so
we'll go with this one. Yeah.
Yeah, we go that one. Do you want to do a multi, like a multi shift on this?
We checked it.
We checked that beforehand. There you go.
We did some modifications.
Okay, so how does this one, if you open it up? So
Okay,
people
so
might-
so this is printed with a PLA lightweight filament. This one.
Yes, it was, and it was printed on the Ender 3. This one, ages ago.
Yeah,
Yeah.
last year. Okay. So yeah, so
You don't have to take it all out, but it's just I know you still have to put the wadding in, so you have to take it in.
how did you pack it?
No, I didn't pack it. You did. It's all good in the hood. Do you need like a bit of a screwdriver? Screwdriver. There you go. This is what you don't see behind the scenes. It's live, so these things go. There you go.
Okay,
So-
it's all fixed.
Okay, so there you go. There's two different parts in one of these model rockets. There's the main.
Obviously, it's a chute. Oh, sorry. Where's it? There, yeah, there we go. So that's the dangerous end down there. And then you normally have like a little bit of bungee, or in this case, a rubber band attached to it. Give it a little bit of padding between the explosive and the parachute.
Yes, always a good idea.
And so I think this particular chute, it seems to, it sometimes releases, but it gets a little jammed. So we'll see how we go on that one.
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. So we need some wadding here. So we'll hold that.
Yeah, sure.
So I'll get the wadding that we had that I was showing you before.
Yeah, nobody's around. So good. I wonder if the camera's far enough away from the rocket. Maybe what we'll do is when we go for rocket, we'll tilt the camera up a tad bit, and then you might be able to see a bit more as it goes up. It actually will go theoretically quite high.
Provided everything goes well.
Yeah. Provided everything goes well, we get clean ignition.
That's what we want.
That's what we want. And like we said before, thanks very much for tuning into this live stream. And we've been booting this guy on how many times on live stream?
That specific one or the Ironman one?
Ironman.
I think it's the. I think this might be the fourth.
Part.
Yeah, we've been booting them. Two main ones, and then we did an update one when it was halfway through the print.
Yeah, so if you haven't seen those ones, make sure you go back and have a look. And yeah, it's quite good. So it's kind of an interesting wadding material. It's quite very tissue-like in texture, but it's flame retardant. So I guess it's been made of something. Do you know what it's made out of, Richard? Hey, it looks like you've already put flame retardant stuff in here.
Maybe it didn't go off last time.
So I just put it in anyway.
Yeah.
Shove it in there, nobody will know, right? You guys can.
No worries, man.
No worries. You're welcome. Cheers. All right. Okay, shove this fella in there again.
Yeah. Do I need the
What do you need?
spike? Or you'll be alright.
Oh, just shove that in?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Just steal the launch pad. That'll do. There's other uses for the launch pad. The launch bowl. You can do. Right, shove this one in a bit further.
That's all.
It's all good. There we go, loading it up. But yes, hopefully you can hear us all right, and hopefully you can see us all right. So we're facing in this direction this time. The wind's coming from this side, going that way. So theoretically, we get a clean launch. It should go up to quite far up. Maybe tilt the camera, and it will float that way if successful.
These are quite good, these ones.
That design that we came up with.
The C motors are quite cool.
Bit of a kick to them, you reckon?
Yeah.
That's what you want to see. Yes.
Okay, nearly there.
And we've got 5 volts there. So
9 volts.
we got 9 volts. Right? So what we do is
Where's the 9 volt?
9 volts are here, just in front of the camera. Just got them here, and we'll put these out, shall we?
Yeah.
I can put these out. Just might as well just have them going.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, so that's packed in the so the parachute's packed and the wadding's in place. So I will connect up the motor. So that's what we're all here to see. So motor's going in. Okay, so I got one of the C motors. Where is C motor? Yeah, C6.
Maybe I'll bring this up closer just so you get like to see it.
Okay, so there you go. Motor's in, and the nozzle's on the outside. That's the dangerous end that we don't want to put our face next to. So move that out of the way. Keep them out of the way. Okay, so now we need the ignition part.
What do you reckon? Put the camera over this side? Theoretically, it should go that way, right?
Yeah. So it's looking good. We're moments away from seeing this first test into the skies. Sorry about that. I was just trying to not lose the little bung at the same time and get the what do they call them? They are the fuses. Well, yeah, electronic fuse. Yeah.
I'll put that stick back in the ground. You don't need it anymore. Eh?
No.
All right. How are we going? Just putting that together now. Should be good. It's going to be exciting. They got the cameras in the back and rolling, or what do they call it? B-roll. So they call it. Okay, so Richard's just putting in the electronic match right now as we speak.
Oh, that's the right word. Electronic.
And you need me a hand? You're up there. There you go. The plug will be going in.
We're good?
Yep. No, we're right. It's just the sun comes and goes. So.
Okay, so there you go.
So
Plugs in. We've got the right color code.
You got the right color code?
Yeah.
Is there a positive and a negative on this thing?
No.
No positive and negative.
Okay, so there you have it. That's what we need. And what Harry's going to do is when we go for launch, we're going to couple the positive and negative to each terminal when it's on the launch pad.
With the crocodile clips.
With the crocodile clips on the other end. Going to keep them as far away as possible. And we're not going to put our face anywhere near that bad boy. Okay?
So you're going to do it? Yeah. You
Okay,
do ignition.
so everything will be live very shortly.
Okay, so Richard's just walking out onto the launch pad right now.
So no battery?
Hey? No battery. No, we're clear on the battery. No battery connected. So you can see Richard launching it. Connecting them up now. Yes, so it's exciting. It should be fun. It's going to be good. Just tilt the camera so you guys can see a bit more just in case. Maybe like that. Yeah, that's what you want to see. That's the good stuff. Yep, hopefully you can see us. So there you go. Richard's just connecting up the electronic match as we speak. And he'll be making his way back to a safe zone back here. And then we'll go for a rocket launch. Should be good. There you go, that's better. Okay, so we are live. You all good?
Yeah, we're live.
Okay, so there you go, guys. We're live, which means that only Rich can touch it.
Okay.
Okay, so wish us luck, guys.
So you got the camera in the right angle?
What do you guys reckon? Can you see that? Should be
Maybe
good.
a little higher.
Maybe come forward a little bit. Here, and we'll go there. Just in case we need to go up a bit. I can always tune the camera. I can be on camera.
Okay. You ready?
Okay, guys. Wish us luck. Here we go.
Okay.
Maybe I'll put my glasses on. Should be good. So,
Okay.
So here we go.
Okay, we're live.
Okay, so do we want to do a countdown?
Okay, we do.
Okay, we do.
Okay, hopefully the battery's all good.
Hang on, just to get my phone out.
Are you ready?
Hang on. No, we're doing it.
That's right. Go for it. Okay. Okay, so I got my thumb on the switch. Okay, ready?
Yeah. Okay, ready? In 3, 2,
1, go! You think?
No. Okay. Hang on. Disconnect it. The battery might not be good.
Okay, so that's what you don't want. Hang on.
It's okay. I got another battery.
Okay, so there was a false start there.
And also that connection on the negative wasn't so good. Ready? Okay,
Uh,
we'll connect up again.
yeah, it's not plugged there. Okay, so here we go. We'll do another countdown.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay, plug it in.
We're not connected there?
No.
Okay.
Okay, let's try again. In 3.
Fine. Okay, you do it. You can.
In 3, 2, 1, go!
Okay, disconnect. No, it's good and clean at home, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so there you go. Unexpected problem. Okay.
And now I got to do the dangerous thing by walking close to it.
Okay. Well, it's good that we're testing it here and before we send the Ironman rocket. What do you reckon, Richard? I'll go and get a multi-tab? No, I'll be back in a second. I'll just grab a voltmeter.
So these things happen when it's real and real live. So it won't be long. We'll just assess what's gone. It might not be even anything going wrong. It might be just one of these things when it happens live. That's all. But stay tuned. We'll be getting in there very shortly. Has anybody else done rockets before? Just leave a comment below. It's pretty exciting. Sometimes things like this happen, but 99.9% of the time, it's all good. Okay, Harry's on his way back now. Well, get Harry, come on. I'm sure it's fine. It might even be those crocodile clips, I think. Oh, really? Yeah. I'll post that.
Okay, we apologize for the interruption. Okay.
Can you try that? Yeah. Okay.
So we got 8.64 volts. We're fine on that.
Okay. So it's not the connection, guys. So maybe that was a dead match. You want to try a brand new battery?
What was that one? Was that a brand new one?
I don't know. Maybe.
Let's try the gold one.
Oh. Try the brand new one.
Try a brand new 9 volt. Yeah.
So maybe the match was playing up.
Could be, could be.
Let's give you a couple of spares just in case. Yep.
Yep, sure. Okay, no voltage, and then 9.42.
Okay.
So
I disconnect it and we'll
use that one then.
try it again.
Try that one.
Okay.
Try that one again, and if not, we'll swap the match out. Yeah, I got the battery in my hand. Okay, so we'll go for a launch again. We'll go for a second attempt. Okay, well then he like that, fixed it. We're back in the game. You got the battery? Yeah. Okay. So hopefully, what's that? Third time's the charm?
Yeah, hopefully third time's the charm.
Okay, ready? Yep. Okay. Well, it's always a good idea to check these things before we do the real one. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so plug it in.
Okay, give us a countdown.
Okay. Hopefully this works the third time. Third time's the charm. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, go. Wowza!
That's it. She's up. Over there.
There you go.
Here it comes here. Here it comes down here. Check down here. Right there.
Down. There it goes. It's down. There you go. It worked. Nice one. You got it retrieval. So it definitely worked. So it was the battery after all. But we got a clean ignition. So that's great stuff. That was crazy eye, right? That's super cool.
Yeah, I know it. So there you go. She's back in one piece. Oh, well, the fin needs to be glued back on. But there you go. It didn't actually jettison the parachute on that one.
It was a good test nonetheless.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. So that's what it was. It was the 9-volt battery after all. Yeah. So there we go. We have a clean ignition and we know that the system is working. Therefore, we can go up to the ranks of difficulty.
To the next one. So there you go. What do you guys reckon of that? Thumbs up.
Hopefully you can see it. It was pretty exciting from here.
Hopefully you can see it. Yes.
And man, she went high.
Yeah. How was that?
I got into his GoPro stuff.
Yeah. Sure. That sounds good. What do you reckon? Duck Deer says, hi, new to your channel. Cheers, man. Thanks very much for tuning into this live stream. We appreciate it. And hopefully you just saw that launch of that rocket just then. Because, man, that was high. Far out. And it was cool. So we're just gonna repack the Ironman that we'll be making on live stream and rocket, and we'll send that one shortly. But that was cool. That was really cool, eh?
Yeah, great.
Man, that was good elevation, good height, good clearance, and at the top of the climb, then it did its jettison, and it was cool. Very cool. What do you reckon, Richard? All good? How'd the launch pad? Any searing or anything? Nothing to worry about, so that's good. We're all good. So yes. Very cool.
Go. Did they see it?
Did you guys see it? Hopefully you did.
Cool.
But
So
you could definitely hear it. You've got to hear it at that speed.
Hey, welcome to join the channel. So yeah, so we just very recently.
Yes.
Oh, did you? Okay.
But,
Gonna repeat yourself too many times.
But yes.
So
Very cool.
yeah, so we're testing out the Creality Hi filament, I guess, in this one.
And this one, yes.
So yeah, so this is not this hasn't been this Ironman hasn't been painted. This is entirely done with the CFS with multicolour printing, isn't it?
Yeah, just one print, this one.
Yeah, one print, and then we did an extra one for the booster pack with I think it was.
Oh, Gabe saw it. He saw it. Yes, excellent. That's what I want to see. Yes, cool.
Awesome.
Okay, cool.
It's good that you
Thanks for letting us know. Cheers. 'Cause you don't know.
Yeah, you don't want it to be like a
buffer.
latency or something.
Latency.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's cool. Yeah.
Very cool.
So I think that one was that PLA Pro, wasn't it? Sparkly black, I think that one.
Sparkly black from our sponsors KIWIFIL, and this one's from Creality.
Here we
Yeah.
go. Okay.
Which is which colours did we use? We used for Ironman. We did red,
White for his eyes and
his chest, and his
Oh,
hands
yeah.
as well.
and his, oh yeah, and his hands.
And yeah. So we're not sure how this guy's going to go.
Will he be aerodynamic? We'll find out.
We'll find out.
Okay. Do you want to jump? I'm excited. Do you want to jump straight into this?
Did you want to take a photo of it on the launch pad?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
then maybe we could post it post launch or something.
Yeah.
So you guys can see
Yeah,
it.
sure.
Maybe I'll get that ready.
Okay, so you're gonna pack the chute? I think we'll pack the chute
Yeah.
because he's not going to fly himself. So
yeah,
I mean, I don't know whether
if he's balanced,
whether he's balanced correctly, but no time like the present, right?
Yeah, we'll pack the chute, and I'll take a photo of him on the launch pad. Yeah, I'll take a photo of him on the launch pad so you can see
Take
it.
some photos of him when we're.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm putting the just like before, we put the wadding in, the flame retardant wadding. I do the same with this guy, just for the chute. If you want to know why I'm doing it, it's just so the
Chute doesn't burn.
explosive doesn't burn through the parachute. That is hopefully going to save it.
Yeah, because we ideally want it to come back in one piece so we can send it again.
Yeah. But, obviously, there's no guarantees for something that's untested.
Untested, unproven. But yes, hopefully you can see us, and hopefully you're enjoying it, because we are. It's a bit of a different time for us on the live stream, but it's been getting kind of dark
As of late.
because of daylight savings change. So yes, we do some of our live streams a little bit earlier in the day.
Well, it's certainly for the outside stuff.
Yeah, for the outside stuff.
What was the last live stream that we did here?
I think
It was on this, wasn't it?
not sure.
I think it was this guy. Okay, so just about to pack the chute with the flame retardant material. Okay, so packing them in. Okay, so there you go. Flame retardant materials in there. Not sure if you can see it, but you have to take my word for it. We've got a little bit of a bungee there, you can see, just to
Take off a bit of the hit.
take off some of the hit, and hopefully I can pack the chute in such a way that it doesn't stop it from going up, but does stop it from coming down as fast as a rocket. Propself says hello everyone, and hello FPV Rippers. Well, hello and welcome once again there at Propself. We just launched our previous rocket as a test, and it was successful after, was it three tries? The battery was it turned out the 9-volt battery was the deal breaker, but we had another battery, so that solved that problem, and we got clean ignition, great height, and all done live, right?
Yeah.
So far so good. Just back in the chute, and there's I guess you call it rocket capsule, I guess. Would you call it capsule?
Yeah, capsule.
Yeah. Okay, so there you go. It's all packed in, little orange on his chest. This is what we're flying, guys. This is the reason why we come today, is this guy right here. So hopefully it's not the last we see of him. Hopefully this is just the beginning. So you want to take a photo?
Oh, yeah.
We'll catch it on the camera.
Just try to get him focused. He keeps focusing on you. Yeah, you're all good.
Okay, cool. So we got the photo. So we got proof.
Move.
We got proof.
Hang on. Go back up. Hang on.
Just okay, we're just proving that it exists. Okay, so we got the evidence now, so we're good. Okay, and Propself says, "Let's go New Zealand." Cheers, brother.
Cheers, brother. Thanks very much for tuning in. We appreciate it.
Okay, so
what did the other rocket? We only broke one fin on the other rocket.
Okay, so this is the results of the previous ignition seconds ago, or moments ago, should we say?
Yes.
So just one little fin, no big deal, and we managed to get the fin back. So
all good.
All good.
Making a bit of super glue, and away she goes again. Duck says, "Grey skies over Canada here." Oh. Well, it's been grey skies all week. All 2 weeks.
It's been thunder and lightning.
Thunder and lightning, and this is the first day that we haven't had thunder and lightning. So it's, I'm liking it. I'm liking it. So we appreciate you guys all tuning in. Yeah. Gabe says it's night over here in America. Oh, we appreciate you tuning in.
Yeah, thanks very much for the effort.
Yeah, we appreciate it. And we're liking it, so it's good to share it with other people. It's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Bob Sauce says, yeah, man, they're calling for rain the next 5 days. Oh. Hard luck, man.
Rain can be cool though.
Yeah, I guess you got to start doing the rain dance. Wow, it looks like those clouds. I have not seen sky like that in decades. Yeah, we got Columbus clouds over here, cumulonimbus, and what else we got? There's some scattered ones, but they're all quite high, so that's good. But yes, all quite high in elevations. That's good. It's a good sign. What they say, shepherd. What's the shepherd's delight thing?
Shepherd's morning.
Shepherd's morning, shepherd's warning.
No, it's not.
Hey?
Red sky at night.
Red sky at night, shepherd's delight. That's what I remember.
What were you saying? You made up your own catchphrase.
I don't know. That's good.
What was it? What were you saying?
Red
morning.
Shepherd's warning. What is the phrase? It's an old phrase. That's okay. I have a final UDL wood race all Saturday. Indoors is great timing. Nice. Yeah. Inside, yeah, good. Yeah. Is that the I think was that on a live stream? I'm pretty sure I was watching that the other day. If wherever it is, have a great time, and we wish you luck. Yeah. So what
are you competing in it?
Yeah, she's competing. Sweet. That's exciting. Any racing is always good.
Okay, so we've got the C-class motor that you saw moments ago. This is another, so C6 with a 3-second delay is what it is.
Yes. So
that's the dangerous end. So keep your face away from that, guys. Hold the igniter. Just match.
Oh, have you not put them in yet?
No. Okay, so I'm loading them now.
I'll try and take a photo with my one hand. There you go. Cameraman and match electric match holder.
What do you reckon? It's not going anywhere.
You happy with it? Or do you want to go in further?
I don't know if you can.
You don't think you can? If you're happy with it?
It's not going anywhere.
What do you guys reckon? It's a lot of rocket. Sure is.
A lot of rocket.
Sure is. You happy with it? It's not going to go on any more than that.
It's not going anywhere. Okay, so that's what we look like. So,
what about the CG? What's the CG like? You want it low.
So he's
but he made it back. Yeah, cheers, Joshua. Cheers, man. Nice. He came in time.
Okay, so we just so what you missed out on was just the first test rocket. We got it going.
We got an initial clean ignition, and we got retrieval too.
So yeah, so test was good.
Test was good, and now we go for the real deal. So you good? Okay, so handing the match over. Take a photo. Might as well. There you go.
Okay, so there you go.
Off axis is back. He's just back just in time. So we got the match in our electronic starter ignition. And we have the parachute already placed inside with his perfect timing. Absolutely perfect timing. I agree. And yes.
This idea is mental.
Absolutely crazy, but absolutely cool at the same time.
Okay, so there you go.
Okay, what do you guys reckon? Thumbs up?
I reckon thumbs up, right?
What do you reckon? Good, clean ignition? What do you reckon?
Yeah.
Okay. Just keep away from me.
Yeah, fair enough.
Yeah, cheers. Sounds good.
Okay. He's looking forward to showing your next video. Yeah. Oh, that's right. Yeah. So next Tuesday is the big one from. It's our big 3D printer drone that we're building currently.
Oh yeah.
A flying 3D printer drone. That's what we're building on the channel.
I say look out.
Tuesday. So yeah, definitely work out.
And Joshua says, I say look out.
Okay, let's get this.
Okay, I'll just take another photo. Hang on. So you guys can see what he looks like in all HD. Hang on, I'm just gonna get green. And we take another one. Yeah. No. He's targeting you. Hang on, Richard, look back at it. Okay, there you go.
Okay, so we've got the evidence now. Okay.
Okay. So,
Off axis is
oh yeah,
don't mod.
nice.
Cheers, dude. Okay, so yeah, so we're definitely modeled this one. Okay, so we're gonna take some photos of it on the launch pad.
Yeah, I'll take some photos for you guys, and we'll post them later on.
Yeah.
Post
Yeah,
live stream. When we get a chance.
Okay.
I've only got so many hours in the day. But yes, it's looking good, and we're quite pleased about it. There's nobody around. If you want to know if there's anybody around watching us,
we got some birds over there.
We've got some birds watching, and there's people at the way over. So we're all good for a good spot to ignite.
Okay, so we're going to turn the things on, and we'll get it underway. So battery's clear.
Battery's clear. I'll take the battery, so we're all clear on that. Safety first. Okay, so we'll go and do that. Okay, so you go. The photos are all taken. Safety last. Nice. Yes, but lucky I've got the ignition in my hand. We're good. Not trying any negative, but I think they're not finding it. But hang on, listen. What? Hang on, I'm just reading something. Hang on. Drop me a mod says next time. I would love to help you by dropping your links while you're live. Oh, cheers. Yeah, we should do that. Get the SCLs down below in the description for your own 3D model today. Yes. This particular design was not ours, but we did link the person that did make the Ironman, but we made the rocket trajectory part. So yes, and safety first. Safety last. Nice. Rock on. What's that? I have batteries, so safety is good. Yeah, good. Safety's good. And yes, guys can see us. Yes. Printable links not found. No, we'll add them in post. That's what we did. Maybe didn't copy them correctly. But don't worry, we'll add them in post video. You happy? You good? Yeah. Okay. Word. Yeah, nice. If you're happy with it. What's the back of it?
You want to be the front of it?
Yeah, turn around. Might as well do it, might as well get it perfect right now. Bros says he's excited. Cheers. And Gabe says he's the same. Yeah, me too. You're good? Yeah. Okay, so there you go. So photos have been taken. I've got the battery, safety paramount. Okay, so I'll put this one away, Richard. Put that over there somewhere. We'll get this out of the way and then I'm going to clean it.
Okay, check them in there. Okay, bear with.
I just want to get this out of the way so then I
got your hands free
to run if we need to. Yeah. Sorry about this. Yeah, you put that one away. And I've got the battery. Fingers crossed. Thumbs up. Cross. Yes. Okay, so we're all clipped in and GoPros are running, yeah? GoPros are running. You guys can see it, right? Hang on, we'll just move that up a little bit. And so what you're going to do, we're going to go for ignition. You're hopefully we get clean ignition. Rich is going to grab the camera and chase it like we did in the last one. And hopefully, fingers crossed, we come back safe and sound. Okay.
Okay.
There's nobody around.
No, all clear.
Okay, hang on. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Okay, secondary camera. Okay, guys. Here we go.
Okay.
Fingers crossed.
You got it?
You good?
Okay, let's rock and roll.
Rock and roll. Here we go.
You good?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's cut it out. Okay.
Okay.
You ready? I'm out of the way.
Okay,
Yes.
yeah, no, we're good.
Okay. In 3, 2, 1,
one,
go.
Whoa.
Wow, you see that?
Wow. That was not a clean trajectory, but man, it was impressive.
That was awesome.
Wow. So there you go. Look at that. Is he intact? He's intact. Hooray. Wow. He cartwheeled like crazy. You got to add some more wings to that one, Richie. Wow. There you go. He did not break.
Look at that. Entire. Not even his fingers are broken.
So there you go. That was fun to see on camera. that was a major, that was like a triple infinite backflip made of real iron. Wow, I can smell it. That's the one thing you can't see on a live stream. You can smell the cornite.
That's right. You can smell the explosive. That was awesome.
Did the parachute come out?
Yeah.
So the parachute did come out. Interesting.
Yeah, that's cool.
How many more can you shoot? How many have we got left? I think that we've only got 2. Do it again. Oh, can we shoot this guy again?
I think so.
We could. But he's not going to get clean ignition with it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So we kind of want to fit.
So we're going to add like a bigger fin to him.
Bigger
Yeah,
fin?
yeah, that's what we'll do. What we'll do is instead of going again, what we'll do is we'll go back on live stream maybe next week or the week after.
Yeah.
And then what we'll do is we'll add a bigger fin. We've got bigger surface here.
What do you reckon? A nose cone? Do you think a bigger extended nose cone to get clean?
That was cool.
It's already too heavy, you reckon? No, you reckon? Maybe. Yeah, probably. But either way, that's true. It was on the when we did the calculation. It was just on
We've got some visitors coming in.
just on the perfect thing. So there you go.
Just a second.
Hi guys. Yeah, yes. So we got some little friends coming over to have a look. That's good to see. But yes, I want to see it again. Yes, for sure. But yes, very cool, very cool. We did get quite a good nighttime launch. That's a good idea. Yes, very cool. Yeah, that's a good idea. Maybe we could put some like lights or something on it. You can slow-mo that shot. That's a great idea. It's like zzz. But yes, very cool. He did survive, which is what we wanted to see. So that's cool. Yeah. That's very cool. Yeah, I think maybe what do you reckon? Like a bigger nose on the extended nose, and maybe, but like Joshua was saying, it's like maybe it's a little bit too heavy. But, yeah. Interesting stuff. But there you go. Got to go twice for testing purposes. Yeah, that's the one. But yes. We are live as we are speaking. But yes, exciting stuff. But there you go. So guys are playing rugby here. You guys playing rugby? Yeah. Nice. Is that practice later on? Nice.
Yeah. Well, say hi to the live stream, everyone. There's heaps of people watching.
There you go.
Cool.
See.
Okay. Well, should we end the live stream?
Yeah. I think we've finished with the rocket. So unless we wanted to fly something, maybe fly something, readjust and fly somewhere else.
Yeah. I think we'll go back to the car. Like that.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Oh, you guys gonna wave it out? Okay. Okay. There you go. Exciting stuff. So what do you want to do now? Just do a little sign out and we'll. Okay, guys. Oh, we'll gangster kiss it. Absolutely.
Okay, we're signing out. Okay, ready?
Okay.
Wait up. We have to sign out, guys. Okay, and
And
3, 2, 1, go! HR Racing, HR Racing, HR Racing.
Yeah. Thanks very much, guys.
We have to sign out.
We'll see you next time.
What is that?
It's a live stream.
Not that.
There's a rocket.